friends. Welcome to SpeakEasyBytes. Today we're going to have a very interesting topic. This topic is something which most of the people would love to learn from this learning process. So the topic today, which we have, even in fact, I'm excited about, is a conversation with the auto rickshaw guy, right? So here we have the conversation ready for you all, so which you can listen to and learn, right? Which would help you in your day-to-day journey with if you're taking an auto rickshaw at any given point of time. So let's start.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಅಣ್ಣ. ಕ್ಯಾರ್ ಪುರಂ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ?
ಹೌದು, ನಾವು ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. ಸಮಯ ಕಳೆದಂತೆ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ವೆಚ್ಚವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ?
ಆ ಮಾರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ₹300.
ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚು. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ₹230 ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ನಾನು ₹280ಗೆ ಬರಬಹುದು.
ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದು ಕೇವಲ ₹180. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ₹250 ಕೊಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ಸರಿ, ಹೋಗೋಣ.
Well, thank you, learners, for watching this video, and I hope this conversation between the auto rickshaw driver and the passenger would help you in order for your future conversation. Right. So thank you so much for watching. Again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Good day.